What is happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and today I got another This Tool Is Cool. And this is a tool that I've kind of done in the past, but it's a probably a better version. In the past I've done the angle finder. This is a mechanical angle finder. The degrees are set in 90 degrees all the way around, up to 360 degrees. You can kind of zero this thing out where you want, and you can use this in a number of ways: roofing, cars, trim, it doesn't really matter. So for today I'm going to show you a better way. I think it's something that I need for setup on my daughter's race car, for setting the pinion angle on my Mustang. There's just the hanging picture frames on the wall. I mean, there's just so many applications I can use this. I did get it from Amazon. It was $29. It was shipped to me in 2 days. It is the Klein's angle finder, and let's go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. I don't know if there's any directions or how to use it. Let's go ahead and test it on some things and just maybe compare it to a analog mechanical style angle finder and see how it does. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this thing right here. It says digital angle finder. It does come with this little carrying case. Let's go ahead and get her open. And let's turn it on. Anything past 30 degrees tilted that way or forward will disrupt the sensor. Let's go ahead and take this thing around the shop and see. Let's see if the directions are in the carrying case for one. Okay, what do we got in here? Okay, so it does come with batteries. There's 2 super power arc in there, along with these directions right here. Press the power button to the on position. Turn the 935 DAG on. The 935 DAG will begin displaying the degree of the magnetic base relative to the true level. Press and hold the power 0 button to turn off. So press and hold to turn off. Press and hold to turn on. To set reference plane, press the 0 button. The measurement value on the display will blink once and change to 0.0 degrees, and the 0 icon D will show on the display. It shows the Z, 0 icon D. There it goes, it zeroed out. To hold a measurement value display, press the hold range button. So that would be this button right here. Hold that value, press the hold range button. Range display measurement from 0 to 90 or 180. To change between the ranges, press and hold the range button 3 when measuring from 0 to 90. The 90 degree range setting icon will show on display. The measurement 0 to 80. The 0 to 80 range will show icon E, or like a half circle with a line through the middle. Recalibration. Press the power 0 button to display and will illuminate read calibrate. This will put the 935 DAG into recalibration mode. Release both buttons. Press the power 0 button. Again, the display will read cal without picking up the device. Rotate 180 degrees. The display is facing away from you. Press the power button again. Again, the display will read cal 2. Calibration is now complete. So you might want to calibrate this thing from the start. So like me sticking it on here and it's not really reading as accurate as it should. Now, if you guys want to, you can read these directions right here. Like I said, it shows you don't turn it more than 30 degrees, how to recalibrate it, how to go from 90 to 180, and how to hold your function or hold your level. Let's take this thing around the shop and go ahead and compare it to the old manual style, maybe, huh? Okay, what are we going to try? Let's go see the roof of the car. Okay, so I got 2 degrees on the digital finder and I got about 1.5 degree on the mechanical style, which they are on a different part of the roof. So let's try putting right in front of each other, and I'd say they're pretty close to each other, very close to each other. And this thing I did not calibrate, which you can do. So what else are we gonna try now? Let's go ahead, let's try that. Let's try my press and see how good that will be. Put it on there. The digital one is 0.1 and the mechanical one is about 1 degree. So very close, very, very close. Let's find something else to test again. Let's test my bar right there. So 0.1 of a degree. That's actually going back the other way a little bit. So pretty close. I would say that these things are within a 1/10 of each other, really, and they're both pretty spot on. So I would say that the digital one works rather well. Remember, you can calibrate it. It's probably best to calibrate it before using it on anything you want precise. The old mechanical style, can't really go wrong. As long as the measurements, just like a tape measure, depends on the degree of accuracy in between the measurements. It's up to you, choose one. I like the Klein one. It's a little more compact. Definitely gonna be quick and easy on the race cars, setting up things, and alright guys, as you can see, there is a number of different ways that you can use this. I mean, just all over the place. You're gonna find yourself putting this thing on everything, just checking it. I caught myself putting it on things around the shop and everything is not level, that's for sure. So yeah, it's definitely a tool that I can use for bending pipe eventually when I do get a tube bender, or if I do, or mainly setting up the bird cage on my daughter's race car, setting up the pinion angle on my car. All these things are very helpful. Originally I got this for it. This is a lot more compact and it just fits in there a lot better. This has been This Tool Is Cool. I'm Dustin, and go ahead and check out my other videos here and here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.